Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to activate the Academy LMS Pro license step by step. First, sign in to your dashboard. Click on the download option and download the Academy LMS Pro version. Now let's install and activate the license for Academy LMS Pro. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard plugin section. Click Add New Plugin and upload the Academy LMS Pro zip file. Install and activate the plugin. Copy the license key from your account dashboard. Paste the key and activate the license. And you have successfully activated the Academy LMS Pro license. Now you can enjoy all Academy LMS Pro features. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.